Hello friends, today I'm doing unboxing of plug phones for Amazon work. So here they are. They arrived in this package. Let's remove and see. And here they come in packaging. So I got the brand. This is from A to Z app. They showed us where is link, and they were two models, and I pick up the $30 ones after some discount, because other one was more expensive, but I think it was sold out or something. And these are plug phones, FREEREIGN BL 82 decibels, OSHA volume limiting, earplugs with audio hearing protection. And they have, so it looks like this. It says they sweat proof, ear hooks, they never out, 14 hours of play, fast charge, Bluetooth sound seal, noise surrounding, suppressing tech, tune speaker. Let's open them then. Hard to open with one hand. So here they come in this cute black case, and it says plug phones here. Case opening like so. And here they come with the USB cable, charging cable, the instruction, and they have some foams to change, and they come with something like this on them. So they come with this packaging, and here they have something like this that can be put around ear. Then here they are like, this cord is, wow, what's funny? So this cord is around the neck, protection. You can put around neck. Here it has 3 buttons. And charging port is here. And these are like a rope looking wire in the rope protection. I see. Because I want to pair it with my phone just here to see how it works. So let's see. I wanted to see how you connect this with this. Maybe you put this inside here. In that, because this is like split, see? So you can put that cord inside. Maybe do it like, so phone is here. I go to Bluetooth, and now I have to press this multifunction button for 5 seconds. oh, it show up in devices, other devices as PF FREEREIGN. I press it. Let's see if it will be connected. Still thinking. Pairing unsuccessful. Aha, make sure they are turned on. Yeah, pairing. Okay, it says connected. So now I will go into, let's put them on. Maybe like this. That feels so weird. Let's go to YouTube and see if the, for example, I put some known me music. Not bad. Music sounds a little worse, of course, than other phones. It's like not good quality. Bass is lower. But it's not bad. As when they allow it, that's great. Actually, you put it deeper. Actually, quality is better when you put it deeper. Because when you put it shallow, the quality is a little worse. That's weird. Like sticking out a little bit. Looks like UFO. Actually, when you put them deeper, not too shallow. You have to put them a little deeper. Then it's better. And how is some talking? How is some talking? Let's see. Not bad. Actually, they're not that bad. So I will test them in work tomorrow and see how they work at work. So that's it for my unboxing. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy such videos. And thumbs up, subscribe. See you in the next ones. This was a unboxing of FREEREIGN plug phones for the plug phones approved for work in Amazon warehouse fulfillment center. Okay, see you in the next video. See you. Bye. Thumbs up, subscribe. Bye.